It's the moment we've been waiting for. Drum roll, please. We're ready to write a problem statement. Success should be just as straightforward. It's the moment we've been waiting for. Drum roll, please. We're ready to write a problem statement. A problem statement is a clear description of the user's needs that should be addressed. Problem statements align the team on which user problem to focus on, giving everyone a clear goal. A strong problem statement is human-centered. It should be broad enough to allow for some creative freedom, but narrow enough that it can actually be solved by a design solution. Problem statements can be written using a simple formula. Start with the name of the user. Add a short description of the user's characteristics. Clearly describe the user's need and explain why the user has that need. In other words, an insight about the user. For example, Amal is the name of the user. His user characteristic is that he's an athlete. His user need is that he wants to sign up for a workout class. And the insight, or why he has the need, is that the workout classes are filling up quickly. So what can we learn from an effective problem statement? First, problem statements help us establish goals. An effective problem statement tells you what the user really needs. Defining a goal clearly and concisely gets everyone on the design team on board and focused on the same thing. Second, problem statements help us understand constraints. We want to know what's keeping users from satisfying their needs. Third, problem statements help us define deliverables. When we finally solve the problem, what will we have to show for it? It's helpful to know what our solution will produce. And finally, problem statements help us create benchmarks for success. How will we know when we succeed? If your goal is to open a door, for example, you'll know you've succeeded when you can see what's behind the door. Most design problems will be more complicated than opening a door, but the benchmark for success should be just as straightforward.